back to Aegis Armors, everybody. Today we're looking at this Audi A6 we did this week. As you can tell, we got some before pictures here. This is how it came in before a wash or anything. Pretty dirty, very scratched up, as you'll see in the coming videos. This car was definitely abused by brush style car washes in its lifetime. It is a 2018, but we saw a lot of scratching, as you can see here. For only being 4 years old, this is quite a bit of scratching. So we had to do quite a bit of paint correction on this vehicle on all of the flat surfaces, so the hood, roof, and trunk lid. So that means we had to do a heavy cut followed by a polish to get the scratches out properly and leave it with a good finish that we did. And then on all of the side panels, the doors and the quarter panels and stuff, we did a single stage paint correction, which still took out most of the scratching and swirling, but still left behind some heavier stuff, just for the sake of saving cost on this one. After all the paint correction, we applied our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic coating to all the painted surfaces, and we even did our Aegis Armors glass coating on all of the glass, and then finished it up with our Aegis Armors Black Widow tire gel on the tires to give it a good shine. Many of you know about ceramic coating by now, so I won't go too much in depth with that, but I will let you know, as you can see here, we have some before and after pictures of the paint correction. This is the most important step with the ceramic coating, simply because if we don't get these scratches and swirls out before we apply the ceramic coating, it's going to actually enhance those scratches and swirls, bring them out more, and make your vehicle look even uglier, and even trap that underneath the vehicle to where it can't be fixed anymore because the ceramic coating is on top. So we don't want that. So before we put any kind of ceramic coating on there, as you can see, we fix all of this damage done to the paint and make it as perfect as possible within the limits of the cost and how thin the paint is. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop it a like. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Join us next week for another vehicle, and take care, everybody. Thanks.
So as we talked about on all the videos, basically the maintenance on this vehicle is every couple of weeks you'll rinse the vehicle off. You'll take a foam cannon, you'll use our Foam Fury soap or Spectrum, or a combination of the two. Apply the soap to the vehicle, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off. About once every 3 months, you'll take our Renew product, which is a ceramic booster. After you do a hand wash in the vehicle and dry it, you'll take a damp microfiber cloth, apply the Renew to the entire surface, take a dry microfiber and wipe it right off. That's all you'll need to do in the vehicle, even with a graphene coating on it. We also used our Black Widow tire shine. It's a no sling tire gel. It can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss. And as always, we give an instruction guide when we do a ceramic coating on a vehicle. On the very back page, it has a quick do and don't for going through a car wash as well as doing a home wash. So if it's something you're interested in doing in your car, give us a call, 336-570-9790, and we can get you right in. A job like this typically takes 3 to 4 days. Have a great day.